Damo.
I'm cool. I'm Just.
And we are Financially Lit. Welcome everybody to Money Talks. Money Talks. Okay.
We talking about stimulus checks.
Stimulus checks. All right, so my name is Damo.
I'm cool.
I'm Joseph.
We are Financially Lit. Money Talks. We're talking about stimulus checks. As we all know, we are in a pandemic due to coronavirus, and we're going to talk about stimulus checks. So stimulus checks is something the government provided due to the economic crisis to stimulate the economy, to stimulate us people to spend, basically. So a lot of people have been taking, I know for individuals, like individual adults is $1,200, kids $500.
$500 a kid, under 17.
Yeah.
Under 17 is $500.
I don't know too much about it because
What about you, Justice?
What?
You have two, so you should know.
What the
How many you get for your kids?
I got one for when I filed for my one son on 2018. I got it for him, and then my girl got two for 2019 for both kids.
Okay, that's cool.
Right. So there we go.
So it's true.
Some people ain't got their stimulus checks. Some people do. Be patient. Like they say it's coming.
You don't get one? You don't file taxes?
Yeah. But a lot of people ain't got theirs, depending on, like, I know it's
I
I
don't believe in banks though, so I ain't
he
got
don't
that.
got
Oh, he waiting on the check.
You gotta wait on
you
the
gonna
check.
yours probably gonna be here the next month.
I'm chilling though.
So depending on what the circumstances was, if you had a bank account or something like that, you probably already got it by now.
Yeah.
It's all about how you
Direct
get your
deposit.
taxes when you got your taxes.
I
Was it
filed,
deposit, a card, or through the mail?
I'm fine.
That's how you get it.
You filed.
Yeah.
I think it go off of, as long as you filed for 2018, 2019, you should be good.
2019.
If you're gonna get one, this is gonna be a month.
It's gonna be a minute, yeah.
So that's gonna be your summer money.
I ain't got it.
Ooh, he got some summer money coming. But yeah, so the economy gave us these checks to stimulate the economy.
Right.
So that's why they provided us with these ways for us to spend, basically to spend more money.
It was supposed to stimulate the economy, but how do you think people spending it?
That's what we're gonna talk about.
That's the real question.
So, I mean, we have to be sensitive.
People gonna pay their bills.
Yeah, we gotta be
Rent,
sensitive to people's
and all that
circumstances.
necessity stuff.
We gotta think about people that's lost their jobs.
Yeah.
This was like a great time for them to get their $1,200. I'm pretty sure they did pay some bills.
Right.
Ain't nothing else to shop with.
Everything closed, you know what I'm saying?
Not everything.
Groceries.
I mean, groceries,
Yeah,
Walmart shit
not
up.
everything,
They sell clothes and stuff.
Unnecessary stuff is closed.
Okay.
Like the mall.
Yeah.
All this little fun activities.
You can still online shop though.
You could.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna take so long though. But I don't really do too much online shopping like on mall or nothing.
I
like
gotta
that.
try my clothes on.
You know,
My jeans don't fit
that.
tight enough when they milk.
I just can't. I can't get into it.
So what we want to talk about is some things that you could do with that stimulus check. We do understand that people have to pay bills with their stimulus check, but for some individuals that may have some wiggle room, some cushion to do other things with that stimulus check. What I did, I got mine. I invested. So, but I got wiggle room, you know. So I'm still working. I'm still working my job. It's an essential job. So I'm still working, obviously, but I still had some wiggle room when I got my stimulus check. So I invested into stocks. I seen that the oil shares went down. So I invested into oil, and then I invested it back into Financially Lit and Fogged Up Hookahs. So that's what I did with mine. I invested in myself.
What I'm gonna do with mine is whenever I get it, I'm just pay a couple bills, you know, invest back into myself, into what I got going on, what I'm passionate about. Pretty much, that's all I'm gonna do. You know, I'm gonna make the money work for me.
There we go.
What I did with mine, I put majority of mine up in the bank, but I did use some of it to invest in our business, our Financially Lit business. But that's all I plan on doing so far, till something comes up.
Yeah, so basically, the take from this, depending on your circumstances, if you have the opportunity to invest in yourself, whatever it is, whatever your craft is, whatever ideas you may have, this is the kind of the perfect time because it's free money to go ahead and invest it back into yourself. If you do have to pay bills, whatever you have to do for your household, that's just what you have to do for your household under the circumstances. We do understand, like, the unemployment rate shot up to 26.3 million people that filed. And that was just 3 weeks ago, it was like 6.6 million. Now it's at 26.3. So we do understand a lot of people are out of work, and you do need this money to try to get ahead. If you can get ahead with your bills, get ahead with your bills, because you don't know when your next dollar is coming.
Please get ahead of your bills.
Yeah,
it'll help you.
Yeah, don't.
Less stress too.
Yeah, don't allow yourself to have to catch up. If you can get there, go ahead and get there with it. But invest in yourself overall. This is stimulus checks that we're talking about. We appreciate you guys' love and support. Please, comment, subscribe,
all that.
Give us feedback. We love you guys' love and support is tremendous. We can't even express how much we appreciate you guys. Follow us on Facebook, Financially Lit 2020. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Financially Lit 2. Over and out.
We out.